Hello everyone, welcome to anubhavtrainings.com. In this video tutorial, we will discuss about SAP Certification Exam Guidance, everything which you need to know about taking SAP certification exams of top trending courses today in the market. You will be understanding that in this video. Many of you have requested me, Anubhav, can you guide us about some of the interesting and important certification exam which I should target for this year as part of my career goal? That will also help me to position myself better into the market. So by keeping that in mind, this video will be a video which will take you through end to end through the entire process, and also whatever you need to know about certification will be covered in this video. So let's first talk about what is SAP certification. So once you gain a knowledge on a specific SAP skill, you will be able to demonstrate the same by completing a goal with the help of SAP certification. Suppose you go to a company and you ask that company that I'm a Fury expert or I'm a UI5 expert. How do you justify that knowledge? So SAP certification will help you to do that. It helps us, an SAP professional, to prove his or her skill set with respect to demand in the market. It also helps you to improve your resume. You get robustness in your resume, and also certifies that the candidate possess right skill set for fitting to a particular role in the company. With the help of this, we can also position ourselves for better prospects and projects in the market. Usually, when it comes to a certified and non-certified candidate, the first entrance point, a certified candidate will be given more preference as compared to non-certified candidate. Also, it depends on your skills and your knowledge. Later point of time, once you take an entry into the company, how good you are able to perform. But initial entry point certification will definitely help you. Also, some of the government and public sector projects explicitly demands for certified candidates only. So they explicitly demand, that's why we would also wanted to get certified in SAP using SAP certification. Why SAP certification? So as you know, SAP reports that 92% of Ford Global 2000 companies, along with 98% of 100 most valued brands, they all use SAP solutions. So there is a big adoption of SAP software across multiple industries and companies. In addition, 100% of the top scoring sustainability companies, as reported by Dow Jones, are also using SAP. To accommodate the business needs for qualified professionals, SAP manages a large certification program to ensure outstanding product and client support and to narrow the IT skill gaps. So SAP offers these certification to help their partners and customers to get people who have the right skill set. So if SAP certifies that this guy or this person has the right knowledge, then of course the partners and the customers who are using SAP can consider that at least the person will be able to help them with their ongoing challenges in the company. Hence, they will also prefer certified candidates for their jobs. Currently, SAP certification program is home of about 3,90,000 certified professionals worldwide. So this is the current number as of June 2020, which I've taken from SAP certification website. Now, what are all the different levels of certification? So there are three levels: associate, specialist, and professional. Associates is mainly for the people who are just get started their journey with SAP technologies, who are new to SAP solutions and may have learned about SAP technologies from manuals and training courses. Then a specialist is basically built for the associate level credentials and recognize professionals with the skill in a specific component and role. So more or less, associate and specialist are one single category, wherein you just started your journey with SAP, or you have been in SAP world since maybe like let's say 10 or 12 years of experience, and you have gained certain capabilities and learnings as part of a specific area. You can go with these two certifications. Then comes this professional ones. Professional ones are the certification where it recognizes the individuals which has deep knowledge on SAP solution with hands-on experience. So that's what called SAP professional certifications. Now, As you know, most of these certifications, if you wanted to take it, there has to be some place where you can go and take. So as of today, 144 certification exams are available as part of SAP Cloud Certification. What is SAP Cloud Certification? We're going to see that in the next slide. So let's talk about how can you take the certification? What is the process for that? So before we get into the process and the cost aspect, let's look at some of the top technical certifications which are available as of today. Yeah. So these are all, first one is Fury Dev 21. So basically this is the certification code. Every certification has a unique code associated to it with which you can recognize. So you can see Fury Dev 21 is for SAP Certified Development Associate Certification, which is basically for a developer who is building or capable of creating applications, front-end applications. So as you all know, Fiori is the new UX capability which SAP offers. This is the new front end for all the SAP applications and solutions. So in order to become master, or in order to project that you have experience with SAP Fiori development, you can go for this associate level certification. Then you can go to the another one called Fury ADM. ADM stands for administration. So this is another Fury certified technology associate for Fury system administration. So that's where you mainly work with Fury Launchpad and Fury security concepts. So those who are working on SAP security area and you want to master SAP Fury in terms of security, then this is the second certification you should target for. The third one, which is also very popular, especially for developers who are working as an ABAP, WebDyn Pro, or BSP developers today in the company, then you can go with HANA AW16. So this is the latest one, which is called SAP ABAP for SAP HANA 2.0 certification exam. So this is the code for that. Now, some of these ones, when you search on the internet, you will find Fury Dev 20, Fury ADM 20, and HANA AW14. So those three are the old versions or older codes. The new codes starting June 2020 will be these: Fury Dev 21, ADM 21, and HANA AW16. So use these latest codes only when you're applying for the certifications, because these are the latest ones. And similarly, we also have HANA Certified Development Associates. So as you know, most of SAP products are now moving to HANA database. So it's also recommended to go for HANA Development Certification. Then we also have SAP Cloud Platform Certification. Majority of the solutions are offered nowadays as software as a service, and SAP Cloud Platform be the primary focus for SAP's cloud strategy. Also a good certification to take for. Then we have a new one called SAP Analytics Cloud. This is also the ongoing and upcoming strategy for SAP BW, BI, BobJ, Lumira, Analytics, Planning, and all these different offerings which SAP does via different solutions. SAP Analytics Cloud is one single software as a service solution for all of that. It's also a very popular certification, which is pretty trending in the market at the moment. Then we also have SAP Cloud Platform Integration, where you learn how to integrate different cloud solutions, bring data from different cloud solutions and post them back into other cloud solutions. So these are some of the top trending. Of course, there are 144 plus certifications available on SAP Certification Hub, but these are some of the top trending which good for a technical person to go for. Now, coming to process to apply. So by June 2019, SAP announced that all of its certification exams will be now made available online in a cloud as a service through SAP Certification Hub in Cloud program, which means you can take these certification just by sitting at your home. And what do you need for that? Just need an internet connection, a laptop, and a webcam enable. That's all. That's all you need. You can sit at your home and complete any of these certification exam with your own convenience. You can book for the exam. You can make 3 attempts to clearly complete the exam, and you will have a 12-month subscription available at around 571 US dollars, which is also equivalent to a exam which you take when you go to a center. So if you can understand the significance of this deal of $571, A certification in the cloud fee is roughly equivalent to the cost of one exam when you take at physical testing center. Which means if you go to a center and take an exam, the one exam will cost you 571. However, here in $571, you can take 6 exams within 12 month of period. That's the deal, guys. Now, for those seeking multiple cards, a certification in cloud subscription is a clear winner. So guys, this is what I strongly recommend everyone. If you wanted to take certification, please go with SAP Cloud Certification Hub, because there you can take 6 certification exams in 1 year time frame with 3 attempts per exam at a cost of $571, which comes around somewhere around 40,000 Indian bucks. Now you can take this subscription of this Cloud Certification Hub, which is named code as CER006 online. This is the link to apply. I will also share this link in the description of this video. Just click on this. It's a very simple and easy process. Simply go to this link and let me just show you going to this link. So I'll open it up. So this is called SAP Cloud Certification Hub subscription. The moment you go to this link, you can see CER006 certification in cloud. You already know the importance of SAP certification. All that information is given. And now you can see all the certification exams which you can take with this subscription of 39,643 INR. Now you can take 6 certification exam within a period of 12 months. Any one of them you can choose for. See all of these certification codes. So the one which I told you, something very interesting for developers today, can search and you can also see the details here. What is covered in this exam? What is this exam all about? What are all the different breakups of topics? You can see 12% on this topic, 12% on this topic, 8 to 12% on this topic. So how the breakup of topics, what is that all you need to do? Every single detail is listed down over here. Now, if you take this exam from center, it will cost you probably same $571 for single exam for a physical center. But rather it's better to go with the Cloud Certification Hub, because there you can actually go and take this exam within a period of 12 months, and you can actually make 6 attempts here. And you can see all the details, the passing score, the minimum score you need to crack, every single detail is given. Yeah. So that's a win-win situation for you. This is how you can always go and apply. So it's very simple process. Click on the link, which I'll also give in description. Open this up, add to basket your subscription for SAP Cloud Certification. In INR, it will be 39,643. Add it, pay for it, and now it will open up the certification hub for you. Okay. So that's about certification. But now the question comes, how do I prepare? What are all the resources available for me to learn and prepare? So how to learn and prepare for any certification exam? So option 1, you can then go with SAP Learning Hub subscription. So if I just quickly open SAP Learning Hub subscription, so we also go back SAP Learning Hub. So you can take SAP Learning Hub subscription. And here is where you can take again a subscription for Learning Hub, and you can pay for the study material. And there will be guides, tutorials. You can just go here and take Learning Hub subscription, and this is where you'll get all the learnings at one single place. That is again is going to cost you something. So you can see this subscription you can take, which is costing you about $3,000 whopping amount. It's a pretty expensive one, and that's why you're going to get all the study materials, video guides, audio guides. So this is option 1. But if you're looking for something economical option, you can go with option 2, which we propose. Option 2 is join our top technical courses with anubhavtrainings.com. And you can see we have also given here the list of all the courses and their mapping with the corresponding certification code. So we have certification oriented training programs for you, which you can attend just by sitting at your home, and you don't need anything. You just need an internet connection and a laptop to attend these courses. And then we will guide you which is the certification code for which exam, as you can already see here, the mapping, and you can subscribe any one of these certification programs accordingly. And definitely the cost is much lower as compared to Learning Hub subscription cost, which you just saw about on the website. So you can, in fact, all these courses you can complete with the even half price of what was projected there. So you can accordingly get back to us for any of these trainings which you are interested. Mainly we are into the technical training. We are not in the functional training. So any technical training courses listed down here, you can also check our website anubhavtrainings.com, and that's where you can go and check the details. So let me just quickly show you. So once you open the website, you're going to take into the home page, and this is where you can see over here all our top trending courses. You can see the UI5 in Fiori, which was for Fiori Dev certification. Then we have Fiori Security. Then we have ABAP on HANA. Then we have Analytics Cloud. Then we have ABAP on Cloud RESTful Application Programming, C4 HANA Hybris, Cloud Platform Integration, S4 HANA Cloud Extension. You can see all these different training programs. Some are available in video mode. Most of them are available in video mode. You can also take live trainings on these certifications and these exams, and you can get back to us for any of these courses. You can also purchase from online. You can also go ahead and directly download the source code content for the detailed course content of each course. You can check free interview questions also provided. You can also join our forums for technical discussions with other colleagues and other participants of your courses. So you can always join here these technical discussions. You can check free learning series, free videos which we offer to our students with the complete end-to-end source code on Anubhav Learning Series. So there is a lot which is available over here on our website. You can also dedicatedly go and check the dates. When is the next training program is planned to start? In what mode the training program is available? All of these top trending courses, you can also see it here. So if I go to UI5, for example, you can now see the complete detail about this training program with the detailed course content, when it is going to start, what is the ongoing batch state, and you can also take in video mode. You can also see here a quick screenshot of the topics which are already covered in our video mode of program. So all of this at one single place is available to you. And you can of course see again the same certification guidance which I just showed you about a couple of minutes ago, also here about the Fiori certification exam. Okay, so that's one place where you can always go and learn. Now for further assistance and guidance only on certification, specifically, you can mail raj.shettyhyd at gmail.com for just certification material. For training courses, please visit us on anubhavtrainings.com or mail us on install.abap at gmail.com. So now moving on, why Anubhav Trainings? Why do you think why Anubhav Trainings will help you and how we are better than anybody else? So first reason first, we will bridge the gap between you and the trainer. So I myself, Anubhav is the trainer for all the courses, and I myself will be teaching and I'm owning it. So which means you are not talking to any company, any training institute, because usually training institute and the trainer, they are different entities. So when you go to a training institute, they will promise you 100 things. But when a trainer comes to you to teach, the trainer will have different expectations. And that's where the gap comes, because later on when you say, I was promised by your training institute to teach this topic, but now you are not teaching it. And trainer says, I was not informed. So there are a lot of fake institutes on the internet. They do fake promises just to sell you trainings. And the trainer has altogether a different understanding. So with us, it won't happen because I myself will be training and I myself will be owning this institute. So you are not going to any institute who is then going to keep some commission and then give half of the amount to the trainer. So you're paying heavy commission also, and that's a bad idea to go for. You might have experienced these things with some institutes where they promise you something and later on they turn out to be something different. So that's a gap. We bridge that gap because here the trainer and the company is same. You are not going and talking to somebody else. You're directly talking to me as the trainer. Second, there is no copy paste in any of our courses. We don't teach copy paste methodology of training. We do write every single line of code at front of you so you understand that. It's all real-time system oriented and scenario oriented trainings. So you will get real hands-on during the training so that you will be able to understand every single bit of it. Then coming to end-to-end offering, from basic to advanced, including certification. So as I showed you here, the certification guidance, we will guide you time to time basis, what is good, what is bad, how should you go for certification, which certification code to use. All of that, though you got it in this video, but together with the course, we will also give you information which will help you to clear the certification exam. Then importantly, server access. What about where do I practice your courses? So you can practice our courses on real SAP server. We do also have server offerings, which is again on demand completely. We don't charge you for server upfront. If you want to use your own company server, go ahead, please do that. We will guide you in each of our courses about servers, how to take server, what is that is needed inside a server. If you have that in your company, you can use that, or if you want us to arrange, we can arrange it on demand basis. Of course, that's a separate cost, but we can arrange you. So all this training will be provided in a real server, so you can do hands-on together with the training. So there will be no gap. So it's a single stop shop where you get server, certification guidance, interview questions, study material, training, videos, every single thing at one single place with anubhavtrainings.com. You're working with we are working with so many highly experienced professionals and corporates. So all the experiences which we have got from them, we embed in our training, and you're going to get that. So once you get into any project, you will not find any issue in order to understand those jargons and those practical synonyms and wordings. You will get used to it because we bring that for you as part of our training courses. Anubhav Trainings is a big community of lots of developers and technical consultants. You can join our community and collaborate. Collaboration is another best way of learning. So that's what we also offer you with Anubhav Trainings. After the training, you can also get support from our YouTube channel. We have a very big YouTube channel which has lots of free videos and training material available. But just going through these videos may not help you because the complete training is not available yet. The parts and bits and pieces and some advanced topics are available on the website, on the channel. So what you will be able to do is we will guide you which is the right video to take, which is the right video to watch for your specific requirement. For example, if you want to do camera integration. Now, camera integration with SAP Fiori is not taught in my foundation course, but yet that is a little advanced requirement which you wanted to do in your company. And that's something which we offer you as part of our YouTube channel, as part of exclusive Anubhav learning series. And that's where we will guide you which video to watch when the requirement comes of that sort. So this way you will understand our channel better, and you will also be able to solve your practical challenges while you're working in your company. So we have a very large playlist of videos, but going through these videos randomly will not help you. So during the course, I will guide you which is the right video to watch when, for which kind of requirement, and then that's how you will be able to also leverage our channel in a perfect manner. So this guidance is also provided during our courses. You can learn anytime, anywhere on any device. So our training videos are available. They are supporting also mobile devices in a responsive manner. So you can also play our videos while you're traveling. You can watch our videos on any device, anywhere, anytime. And our motto is to follow excellence. And we believe that success will automatically come to you when you follow excellence. So this is the motto we work with. We don't lie to our students. We will upfront tell you what is covered, what is not covered. In fact, transparently our course content is published. We don't fake to make sell to you. So that's our motto. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you feel this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe our trainings on anubhavtrainings.com. You can also email us on install.abab@gmail.com for training inquiries. With that, Anubhav signing out. Thank you for watching and goodbye.